List of universities in the USA with rolling admissions. Eager to seek admission to a US university but are not sure when to apply? Well, one of the best ways is to try out admission to universities that offer rolling admissions. Wait, are you now thinking about what a rolling admission is all about? Let us discuss the term first then. Rolling admission is a process in which you can apply to a university during a particular window that opens for an admission. This window usually opens during the fall and may remain open as long as all the spots in the university have not filled up. So you may even get the chance to submit an application throughout the year if the seats are not filled up yet. While rolling admissions last throughout the year in many, the universities offer a deadline also that you must abide by. Universities with rolling admission accept applications in 3 bunches, and these are early applicant, regular applicant and rolling applicant. You are an early applicant if you apply before 1st November. You must get an update about your application by January. If you apply between 1st November and 1st February, then you are a regular applicant. You can expect an update by March. What happens when you apply after 1st February? If you are late, then 1st February, the university will consider you as a rolling applicant. You can get a reply from the university anywhere between 8 weeks to 12 weeks. Curious about starting your application process? The rolling admission process may differ from one school or university to another. So do not forget to check out the universities that offer rolling admissions and also the timelines for rolling admissions in each university. Now, when you're aware of the concept of rolling admissions, you must be eager to know about the universities that offer rolling admissions. Let us tell you, there is a huge list of universities with rolling admissions in the USA. We will name some of the top university names here to start with. Michigan State University, University of Alabama, University of New Haven, University of Tulsa, Pennsylvania State University, University of Maine, University of Pittsburgh, Rutgers University New Brunswick, University of Minnesota, Binghamton University, University at Buffalo, Purdue University West Lafayette, Indiana University. Apart from these popular universities, there are so many universities that offer rolling admissions in the USA. If you are specific about any university, inquire about their admission cycle to know whether they offer rolling admission or not. Rolling admission is a relief for many students, especially for international students. However, you must not rely 100% on the rolling admission concept. In fact, you must start applying from the start of the application session to finally get your chance by the rolling application window. Most importantly, do your research well for rolling admissions along with start of applications in the university you are eyeing at.